Hi there, Jack here again from Storeganise. I wanted to share a quick video about the importance of the Open API and our integrations. So what is an Open API? Firstly, we've got a few blog posts on our blog explaining the importance of the Open API and how it relates specifically to the self-storage industry. Now, essentially, Storeganise was built API first. So what does that mean? It means that all of the data that you see within Storeganise, it's an available data point to any other system through the API within reason. Now, some legacy operations, some legacy systems would have an API as a bolt-on. It's something that they add on as an afterthought, and therefore the data quality can be lacking, and you can't get all of the data points as easily, and it can be very slow or missing. So that's the kind of the main difference there. Now, within Storeganise, we have all of our integrations housed in the add-ons marketplace. It's what we won the innovation award for, recognized by the Fidesz show in 2024, which is the largest in Europe. And the reason it was recognized for this type of innovation was through thanks to the open API. Essentially, all of our integrations, we have 35 plus, covering everything from accounting systems, access control, communications such as SMS, and CRMs like HubSpot. The list does go on. All of these are now housed into our add-ons marketplace. So essentially, you save a lot of time and effort and cost by simply installing an add-on as if you were installing an app on an iPhone. So you don't spend money and time essentially having to pay to install various integrations yourself, right, with existing systems. And one of the reasons we took this approach at Storeganise is because we don't believe in vendor lock-in. We feel like operators like yourself should have the choice to decide what suppliers in the industry, whether that's an insurance broker, whether that's a SEO partner, whether that's a revenue management system, you decide which access control providers you want to use. And should there be an add-on to install as an integration, you simply come into your management portal, and I'll jump into the management portal now and show you in the main settings here. Within the trial account that you've set up with us, you have the main settings and then your add-on section here. And here you have lots of different add-ons housed, and you just come in, see which one you want, and you install it. Now, within the trial account, there might be some limitations. These are all accessible on the live production account. And one area you can look at for resource is our help documentation. So if I was to jump straight into our academy, for example, and within our help library, we can look at different add-ons, and this will explain to us exactly how certain add-ons work, the configuration of them. There's often help videos here as well. And the majority of add-ons that you can find, they are pretty much plug and play. And some are charged at a monthly fee and others are free. From here, we may want to see, okay, well, what if there is an existing partner that you use, an access control, for example, and you don't see it in the add-ons marketplace? Again, this is where the Open API has such a huge benefit, because maybe you have some IT resource, maybe not. We have preferred partners that can help you with this. Within the developer settings, you can start to review the API documentation itself to start to see what kind of data you can bridge between your two systems should it not be an existing add-on. So I can actually use my account login to go directly into the API documentation by taking this URL, and instead of it saying admin, I just type in API docs, and this is going to provide me with the login. I'm already logged in here, so it's jumped straight into the API documentation. And here, from a technical perspective, this is if you do have IT resource and you are, comfortable reviewing this type of information, it's very well laid out. And here you can start to see throughout the whole system what kind of integrations that you can make yourself. Okay, so I hope this video helps. It's one of our biggest differentiators. It's something that we are very proud of. And so, of course, it's an award-winning part of our software as well. So I hope that you can bring some specific questions to any sales call or a demo call that you're likely to book with us. Okay, cheers. All the best. Bye-bye.